Hello guys and welcome back to the Tech Readers. So guys, here is the video for what you all were waiting. Okay. So in this video we are going to fix our Notiservice.java file which we have created in our previous video. Here is our Notiservice.java file which is already fixed version. You can download this file or you can get the code from the description. Okay, so now let's just open up our sketchware, and here is our Reciver app. And I have made some changes to this Reciver app, that I have added another activity called auth activity. You can download this new updated Reciver app project from the description, and nothing else is being changed in send notification. Send notification is same. So here I have, as you can see, if the user is logged in, then only this notification service will work, else the user will be redirected to the auth activity. So now let me take all of you to the code. Let's open this. So basically what this code does, that in here in on create, as you can see, we first of all check that the user's Android version is greater than or equal to marshmallow. Okay, if it is greater than and equal to the marshmallow m, then we will ask for the power manager permission. Some of you guys told me that the notifications are not running in background when we close the app from the recent. Okay, so here is the solution for that, and that we will just pop up the power manager. We'll just go to the power manager and just tell the power manager to keep our Notiservice.this service to run in background. Okay, ignore the battery optimization as we have created here, and afterwards we will start our firebase. Will initialize our firebase reference. We will create channel for notification, and in here we will just check that if the user is logged in. If it is logged in, then and only then we will create the notification. Okay, this is all the code for the notification. And someone from all of you has told me for integrating the custom sound. So here is the code for the custom sound. Okay, this is the code for the custom audio. Just you have to do is replace this audio name. I have created this audio called coin. Okay, coin named audio I have created. Okay, not created, but I have downloaded from the third-party websites. You can use this audio from the description. I have given the link. And here also you have to change the on the top of the script. Here is also you have to change the coin to whatever is the name of your mp3 or ogg file or wave, whatever format you use. Just name the file here, don't use the extension. Okay, without extension, just write the file name here. And let me show you one more code which I have added here. This code is given by one of your subscriber. Yes, one of our subscriber on task removed. You have to add this code also. So this code and the power manager both will help to keep the open this script in the background. This problem is occurring only in those devices who are above the marshmallow. Okay, in the lollipop and below the lollipop, this notification system is working very properly. And one last fix that I have to discuss is the notifications are repeating again and again. So to solve that, I have created one more thing. Okay, where is our on-child added? Here is our on-child added event of our Firebase database. So in here, whenever the user receives the notification from this code, we will just create the new map variable, create the new map, and then we will create the new key called firebase.getCurrentUID. Okay, so we will get the Firebase auth UID, and the value of that key will be received, and then we will simply add the map to the Firebase database. Okay, add this map which we have created here to the child key of that notification. Okay, so that whenever the user receives notifications, it will check that if the child value contain the firebase auth.get instance.get current user.get uid, means that if that particular notification contains the child key child value key of this particular uid, then it will not going to do anything, and as I have commented here, nothing will happen if already notification is received. Else then it will only create notifications. Okay, and you can change the notification icon from here. You can just put that icon in the sketchware, and you can just rename this app underscore icon to whatever the name of your icon image is. So that's it for this fix. You can download this code from the description, and then you can just fix it according to your need. Okay, let's save this code, turn it on, and then the last thing we have to add in our manifest is uses permission request ignore battery optimization. Okay, we have to add this code also into our manifest. So this manifest code will be also available in the description. Go and download or copy that code and add it to your app. Okay, everything else is fine, nothing need to change. Now start replacing or hunting the project. Just click there and you click on the run, and our app will run. And yeah guys, I know some of you don't know the Java, but don't worry, the code is completely easy to use. If you have watched the previous video, then you know how to use it, and if you don't know how to use this Java file, then just go and install, and let me show you the everything in the Firebase database also, that how does this database works with this app. Okay, done. Now let's close our sketchware, and this is also okay. Now here is send notification, here is the receiver. Okay, now let me turn on my data connection, and now let me just take all of you to the Firebase database. Of the notification project. Okay, here is our real-time database, and let me clear all the notifications first of all. Okay, there is nothing, our database is null now. Okay, so now let me just split the screen. Here is our database, and okay, let's just sign up first of all. Let me just use the temporary email. Okay, for example, let's use the tch@email.com. Okay, and let's use the password 123456, and let's just click on the sign up, and as soon as sign up will complete, it will take to mail activity. Now let's just start the service, and as you can see here, it asks for the ignore battery optimization. User have to allow this dialog box. Okay. If user decline, then it will ask the user again the same thing again and again until the user doesn't allow. Okay, so we will just allow it, and it will run in background. And now let's just close this receiver app, and now let's open our database. Our database is still null, and now let's open our send notification application. Here is our app, and just see here in the database, just let's type the test description notification. Okay, and now let's click on the send, and as you can see, I received the test notifications. Okay, inside this child key you can see the UID of my email address is stored as a key. Okay, let me just take somewhere. Okay, and the value of the key is received. So whenever the child is added in the database, our background service will check that if the particular user has received or not. If the user has not received, then it will going to receive the, will create the notification, and if the user is already received, then it will ignore that notification and it will move to the next notification. Okay, so this is how it works, and if you have any problem, any doubts, then just DM me on the WhatsApp. Okay, don't DM me, just we'll discuss it in our WhatsApp group. Okay, thanks for watching and keep watching TCH. And yeah guys, one more thing I forgot to tell you, that where you have to add the sound. Just go to the sounds and click on the plus button and pick your sound file. Okay, and the same name you have to keep here. I have named my audio file as coin. Okay, you can download this file from the description.